Good morning, all of you.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Start your videos. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Start your
Good
videos, all
morning,
of you.
sir.
Yeah, 4B, exercise 4B, number line. We were doing the seventh part of the question. I think we were not able to complete it yesterday. No problem. I will do it here again. Starting, say something. This is exercise 4B, question number 1, seventh part. I was explaining and I also told you please don't draw it right now. मैंने बोला था अभी ड्रॉ मत करिए, मैं आपको टाइम दूंगा ड्रॉ करने का. Again, I request you all to please don't draw it. I will give you time to draw. Okay.
Okay.
And बेटा ये जो जिन्हें चुने बॉयज हैं जो अटेंड कर रहे हैं प्लीज स्टार्ट योर वीडियोस. अर्नव, श्रेयस, अभिनव, मंदीर and the remaining girls also, like
Sir, I have network issues. That was
Soumya,
camera,
Prapti.
sir.
Please start your videos. Nishu, beta,
Sir,
your video. Nishu, just a minute, wait. Yes, Nishu, start your video.
I have started my video.
The video is on.
Yes, sir. The first time
yes, sir.
when you said that time, it was only on.
Okay. Shreyas Mehta, start your video. Mandir, Sara,
Excuse me,
yes, Vrinda.
sir. So in between, your voice was breaking.
The voice was breaking.
Yes, sir.
I think because of some network issue, it must have happened. So this is a number line, and I have to represent -3/4. So as I told you yesterday, first step is to just look at the denominator carefully. It is 4. So now how you are going to mark the number of cuts. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the fourth one you will make a little larger, 3 small cuts, and then the fourth one, the long one. Okay. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Same way on the left side also, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just try to make all these cuts at equal distances. Keep equal gap. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is it. And now the numbers, how will you write the numbers? 0 in the middle. On the right side, देखो right side में जो बड़े वाले जो कट्स आते हैं, these are all integers. यहाँ पर इंटीजर्स आते हैं जो बड़े वाले कट्स हैं. देखिए 0 के राइट में जो फर्स्ट बड़ा लॉन्ग कट जो आया, दैट इज 1. सेकेंड वाला आएगा, दैट विल बी 2. दीज आर इंटीजर्स. सिमिलरली 0 के लेफ्ट में जो फर्स्ट बड़ा कट आया, दैट विल बी -1. सेकेंड वाला जो आया, दैट इज -2. थर्ड वाला -3. ओके, ऑल्दो इतना रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है, बट फिर भी. नाउ 0 के राइट में द फर्स्ट वन इज 1/4. 1/4. सेकेंड इज 2/4, then 3/4, then 4/4 आएगा. बड़ा वाला जो है दैट विल बी 4/4. और 4/4 एक्चुअली क्या होता है? व्हाट इज 4/4? यू डिवाइड 4 by 4, you get
So
1.
1.
So that is why 1 तो यहाँ पर हमने पहले
1.
से लिखा हुआ है ना, लिखा है ना 1. तो नेक्स्ट वाला विल बी 5/4. 4/4 is equal to 1, so next आएगा 5/4, then 6/4, and then 7/4, then 8/4. 8/4 क्या हो जाता है? What is 8/4? It is
So
equal
2.
to 2. तो 2 यहाँ पे पहले से.
Sir, 2.
लेफ्ट साइड में -1/4 पहला वाला, सेकंड वाला -2/4, थर्ड वाला -3/4, फिर फोर्थ वाला आएगा -4/4, फिर आएगा -5/4. इतना सारा मैं लिख नहीं रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. तो हमको -3/4 चाहिए था, वो मिल गया. 0 से लेफ्ट में जाओ, -3/4. ये थर्ड वाला जो छोटा वाला है, दिस इज -3/4. जस्ट पॉइंट इट आउट. p लिख दो. p इक्वल्स टू -3/4. दिस इज योर आंसर. अंडरस्टूड? इजी है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो जो मैं कहूंगा वही वाला करना है आपको. डू द थर्ड पार्ट एंड एक मैं दे रहा हूँ आपको. So I am giving you these questions. Don't write from the book. मैं दे रहा हूँ. So do these questions. Represent these numbers on the number line. कौन कौन से मैं बता रहा हूँ. तो एक तो आपको ये करना है. फर्स्ट वन -4/5, and the second one uh, 7/4. So do these two.
Answer the book one, third one.
वो
Okay,
छोड़ दो.
sir.
Don't do. Do only these two.
Okay, sir.
Represent these numbers on the number line. Yes, start doing it. And after doing it, you will show your copies on your screens.
Okay, sir.
To draw the number line with the help of a scale and pencil. Use a scale and pencil to draw the number line. Make it very neat and clean.
फर्स्ट और सेकंड करना है।
नहीं, डू दीज जो मैंने बोर्ड पे लिखे हैं, ओनली डू दीज, डोंट डू ऑल ऑफ देम। बुक से नहीं करना, मैंने दिए हैं ये आपको अपने पास से, ठीक है। I have noticed something in this class that in this class, rarely, I think only one or two students are there in the class whose names start from the letter A. कोई है ऐसा A से स्टार्ट होने वाला? आई थिंक कोई नहीं है, शायद अभी तो कोई नहीं है मीटिंग में। Otherwise, in all the classes, most of the classes, there are at least 5, 6, or 7 students who are there whose names start from the letter A. ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं।
Maximum 2-3 people are with the name of A only.
There are two, 3 students in this class.
So
बाकी
only two.
only 2. बाकी सारी classes में generally there are 6, 7, or 8 students with the letter A. Beta, have you all done? Complete हो गया?
Sir, on the second one.
Sir,
Sir,
I'm-
just doing the second one.
Sir, just doing second one.
Okay, very good. Is it raining outside? Is it raining outside?
Yes, sir.
No,
No,
sir,
sir. Sir, बड़ी
but
ठंडी हवा आ रही है.
but the weather
No,
is
sir.
very good, and I'm on the door, so it is. I'm feeling the cool here. Air.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's
So
about to
only
rain.
clouds are there.
It's
Sir,
about
I'm
to
in my
rain.
room and I'm not able to see.
Yes,
Sir,
sir,
it's just
only
beginning to
clouds
be
are
rain.
there. The
Black
black cloud.
clouds. Black clouds are there. Sara
Yes,
देखिए,
and
Sara
it is
is
looking very beautiful.
Sara is enjoying the weather.
Yes,
So in the morning it was really very sunny, and now it is not looking like today it was sunny.
sir, same. Yes.
It's about to rain.
Sir, now about it to
Yes, sir.
rain, I
Nice.
And I don't like rain.
Who don't like rain?
Sir,
Nishu, you
I
don't
don't-
like rain?
No,
Sir,
I
I
love
don't
rain.
like rain, but I like the cool air.
Okay, so
Sir,
Sir, I
I
love
like
air and I
rain.
love the cool air.
Nishu, you don't like rain?
No, sir. I
Why?
feel like this is the worst weather. I don't know
Why?
why.
Actually, you don't know why.
So it's
I
just
like
like
rain.
it's too much of water and like irritating thing.
You don't like water?
No, sir.
No.
So
So
it's like
Nishu,
I just like winter season. That's all.
Nishu don't like taking a bath.
No, sir. That's not the thing.
So Nishu, when was the last time
So
you took
what's
a
your
bath?
favorite weather?
Start today only. In the
Today only
morning.
you took a bath. Are? My favorite weather. All weathers are my favorite weather.
So mine too, but I don't like winter. And if I'm in a winter place, so that's only when I like winter. So if
Sir, I
I'm
like
in a winter
winter.
place, just like just in
You like it
Shimla or
only.
somewhere like that.
You like going to places which are cool, and
Yes, sir.
otherwise you don't like winter.
Sir, I
No,
like
sir.
winter very much.
So because we
But
have
you
to
like
wear a
it.
lot of clothes on that.
ओहो, तो तैयार होने में बड़ा टाइम लगता है विंटर्स में.
Sir, you like winter?
I like all weathers.
So you watched the match yesterday?
Sorry, you match?
Watched? Yes, sir.
Which
Football
match? Football which
Sir, football match.
between which two teams it was?
Sir, it was between. I have not seen that because I was just like I just want to see the match between Messi, but it was. I feel like it was from between Italy or something like that.
I
think
think the Euro Cup is going on right now. Am I right? Euro
Yes,
Cup.
sir. Yes,
yes,
sir.
So my favorite is Ronaldo.
So my favorite is Messi.
So mine too.
I don't know.
Sir, I'm wearing his t-shirt right now.
Although
You're wearing Messi's T-shirt right now.
Yes, sir.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. Messi is also a very good player, but Ronaldo is better.
So Messi is better.
चलिए कोई नहीं. Question number 2. Exercise बेटा हो गया. I hope everyone has done it.
Yes, sir.
Exercise 4B. Question number 2. Which of the following rational numbers is greater in each of the following pairs? Greater number पता लगाना है. वो very easy. You can do all the parts of this question in the book. Book में कर सकते हैं हम. देखो कैसे. We all know that all the positive rational numbers are greater than 0. Positive वाले 0 से बड़े होते हैं, सबको मालूम है. So first one which is greater? Tell me, 5/6 or 0? First one. कौन सा बड़ा है? 5/6 or 0?
5/6.
sir, 5/6.
5/6 greater than 0. I'm writing the
5/6.
answers. You all need to write the answers in the book only. Okay, 5/6 is greater. -3/5 and 0. Obviously 0 is greater because
So
this
0.
is -3/5 is negative.
Zero.
Rational number, negative numbers are always smaller than 0. Third one. Third one.
So 5 upon 8.
5 upon 8.
5 upon 8.
यहाँ
So
पर
5 upon 8.
in such cases where the denominators are same, you just have to compare the numerators. So जिसका numerator बड़ा है वो number बड़ा हो गया. Okay. 5 upon 8 is greater. Fourth part. 7 upon 9.
7 upon
7
9.
upon 9.
7 upon 9.
9.
Minus 5 upon 9. तो मैं ऐसे ही discuss कर लेता हूँ. I'm not writing it on the board. Minus 6 upon 11 और 5 upon minus 11 कौन सा बड़ा है? अब यहाँ पर
Sir,
क्या है?
minus
ये
6
बोर्ड पे
upon
लिखना
11.
पड़ेगा. Minus 6 upon 11 and 5 upon minus 11. So in this
So minus-
case,
So
first-
11, so 11 will give its minus sign to 5.
Very good. So first you change the numbers in standard form. Whenever you see minus sign in the denominator, पहले आपको क्या करना है? You shift the minus in the numerator. So this becomes minus 5 upon 11. That means we have changed the number in standard form. Now what? Now you compare the numerators. Minus 6 is greater or minus 5 is greater? कौन सा
So
बड़ा होगा?
minus 5.
Minus
Minus
5.
5.
Minus
नेगेटिव नंबर्स में minus 5 अगर हम देखेंगे तो बड़ा होगा minus 6 से. Okay, because these numbers are negative. So therefore minus 5 upon 11 is greater. 5 upon minus 11 is greater. Last वाला आप लोग अपने आप करिए. बताओ
So
आंसर.
minus 15
Sir,
upon
what
4.
will happen in this case if the numerator
Sir,
is
minus
also negative and the denominator is also negative?
The both the negative signs will be cancelled and the number will become positive. Okay,
So if
suppose
both the denominators will also be the negative.
देखो I'm giving you a question like this. This is not in the book. I'm just making a question here. Suppose this is the case. 7 upon 9 minus 7 upon minus 9 and minus 4 upon minus 9. Suppose this is the question. This is what you're talking about, na? So first of all, change the numbers in a standard form. 7 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. दोनों numbers को मैंने
No,
standard form
sir.
में change कर लिया. Now you compare the numbers. First one is greater. Okay.
So I'm trying to say like if both the denominator will be negative, so then so they can be cut each other's negative sign.
No, not like this. Suppose only the denominators are negative. You again convert the numbers in a standard form. पहले numbers को standard form में change करो, shift the minus sign in the numerator, and then you compare the numbers. So the method is same in all the questions. पहला step क्या है? If the numbers are not in standard form, change them in standard form, and then you compare. Okay, understood?
Okay. Thank you,
This
sir.
method will not change. Change the numbers in a standard form, convert the numbers in a standard form, and then compare.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir, done the last question.
Okay. Question number 3. Which of the following which of the two rational numbers is greater? Oh, it's not a difficult question. Question 3. First part. 5 upon 9. And we have to compare. The two numbers are 5 upon 9 and minus 3 upon minus 8. Okay. So first of all, change the numbers in a standard form. 5 upon 9. And दूसरा number क्या है? 3 upon 8. Okay. Now what? आपको यहाँ पर दोनों numbers का denominator देखना चाहिए, अलग अलग है, different है. This period gets over at 9:45, है ना? It has started to rain. So the denominators are different. LCM निकालेंगे यहाँ पर. LCM of 8 and 9 is equal to 72. LCM find करना आता है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Class
sir.
4 में, class 5 में सीखा था.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. In
Yes,
class
sir.
Huh. So LCM of 8 and 9 is 72. So now you convert both the numbers in the form where the denominator becomes 72. So 5 upon 9 into what is equal to when the denominators become 72. इसको कौन से number से multiply करेंगे? So that we make the denominator as 72 multiplied by 8 upon 8. 5 into 8, 40. 9 into 8, 72. Okay. Second number, 3 upon 8. Again, you want to make the denominator 72, so you will multiply the number by 9 upon 9. 3 into 9, 21. Sorry, 27. So 8 into 9 72. So the second number is 27 upon 72. अब देखो कौन सा बड़ा है, फर्स्ट वन और सेकंड वन, 40 upon 72 or 27 upon 72, which is greater?
So 40 upon 72.
40 upon 72 is greater than 27 upon 72. That means which one is greater? 5 upon 9 is greater than -3. अब ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में लिख लेंगे नंबर, 5 upon 9 is greater than -3 upon -8. स्टार्टिंग में यही दिए थे नंबर, ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में आंसर लिखेंगे, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
बट सर बिना सोच करके भी तो हम आंसर फाइंड कर सकते हैं क्योंकि सर वो नेगेटिव में था।
नहीं बेटा, इट इज नॉट अ नेगेटिव नंबर. जब दोनों
Sir,
न्यूमरेटर, when both the numerator and denominator are negative, तो वो नेगेटिव कैसे हुआ? वो तो पॉजिटिव हो गया, कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना. तो इन दिस केस बोथ द नंबर्स आर पॉजिटिव, दोनों ही नंबर पॉजिटिव हैं, तो आपको एलसीएम निकालना ही पड़ेगा. अगर ऐसा कोई केस आता है वहां जहां पर आपने, योर थॉट इज करेक्ट, कि आपने सही सोचा है कि whenever one of the two numbers is negative, the other is positive, so we can directly say that positive number is greater. But in this case both the numbers are positive, तो हमको एलसीएम निकालना पड़ेगा. ओके फाइन.
Sir, if we will not change the numbers in their original form, so it will not be as defined answer.
नहीं, answer is correct, but it is better to write it in this form. Okay. मतलब your presentation should also be good. It is a part of presentation. Presentation is a very important thing when you go in higher classes. And suppose no, not all the parts. So suppose you are in class 10th, you are giving your board exams. So there, this presentation, how you are presenting your answers in your copies, that matters a lot. Even if you are missing some steps somewhere, the teacher can deduct your marks for that. Okay, so don't take any risk. So from now onwards only you should practice for good presentation. Okay, it is very important. So second part.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
So this one, we have to also write in the notebook only now.
yes, do it in the notebook. So 4 upon -3, and the second number is -8 upon 7. So first one is not in standard form. देखो, the first number is not in standard form. Why it is not in standard form? Because the denominator is negative. So change कर लो, -4 upon 3 and -8 upon 7. Find the LCM of 3 and 7 and do the question. LCM of 3 and 7 is equal to 21.
21.
Sir, now reading has to start.
So which number is greater?
-4 upon 3.
-28 upon 21 or
-4.
-24 upon 21? फर्स्ट वाला या सेकंड वाला, यहाँ पर बताओ देख कर.
So
Which is
first.
greater? बेटा सेकंड इज ग्रेटर, ये नेगेटिव नंबर्स हैं, भूल गए?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These
Second
are
one.
negative numbers. So 4 upon -3 is smaller. Smaller than -8 upon 7. Okay. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so आपको अभी इसमें just do the
It started raining.
yes, it's raining here also.
Yes, sir.
Quite heavy.
It's very, very heavy.
It's quite heavy. Yes.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. That is maybe because of network. Yeah, my
Yes,
voice.
sir, because rain is
There
Now
could be
here I
another.
am feeling very cold.
There could be another reason that my voice is breaking. That because I like breakdance, so maybe my voice is doing the breakdance, so it's breaking. So
Yes,
do the
sir.
sixth
Over
part.
here, it's also raining very heavily.
Very heavy. Why do we say that the rain is heavy? ये heavy से क्या मतलब हुआ? हमने उसका weight करा है, क्या करा है मतलब? Heavy तो वो होता है ना जिसका हमने weight किया हो कि इतना kg है, इतना वो है. Why? Don't know. English को मैं कुछ पता नहीं है, कुछ भी word कहीं पे भी use कर लेते हैं.
Sir, because sir, we used to say that sir, it is not. It is raining very heavily. Just the sir, the water is just coming very fastly and in a straight
the
line. So
flow of
that's why
water.
we used to say.
Heavy से
Sir,
heavy
the
से क्या
flow of
मतलब?
water.
Why do
Yes,
we
sir.
use the word heavy?
The water comes.
Sir, the
The
flow of
water.
water.
Sir,
पानी
because
भारी हो
it
जाता है.
is
नहीं पानी
no,
भारी
sir, sir.
नहीं क्या क्या
Sir,
नहीं.
the rain.
Listen to me. If why do we not say that the rain is very lengthy? बहुत लंबी रेन है, ऐसा क्यों नहीं बोलते? Why only heavy? कोई लॉजिक
Sir,
नहीं
because
है.
the flow
Because
of
it is
water.
sir, because
बेकार
it is the flow of water is
बिल्कुल
very fast.
बिल्कुल बेकार लैंग्वेज है इंग्लिश. पलक मैम से पूछना कि रसिक सर ने पूछा था कि हम रेन को हैवी क्यों बोलते हैं, ये क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं कि व्हाई द रेन इज वेरी लेंदी, ऐसे क्यों नहीं
So,
बोलते
sir,
हैं?
why we say it's drizzling? We should also say कि बूंदाबांदी हो रही है.
नहीं तो ड्रिजलिंग तो चलो एक प्रॉपर वर्ड है उसके लिए, ठीक है चलो मान लिया. बट हैवी वर्ड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? हैवी का मतलब होता है कि बहुत भारी है.
I saw video on this
Sir,
on
because
YouTube just
Sir,
because
this is because sir, rain in the
Why do we
lot
not
of
say that?
amount of water.
sir,
चलो
because sir, the clouds are really getting heavy because of the water. So that's why
पलक मैम
the
बताएंगी
clouds are.
कैसे होता है, मुझे नहीं पता भैया, पलक मैम बताएंगे. आई डोंट नो.
sir, because there's a lot of water.
आई डोंट नो, मुझे तो मालूम नहीं है, पलक मैम बताएंगे. मैं तो ऐसी बस मेरा क्वेश्चन है. कभी कभी होता है हमारे दिमाग में क्वेश्चन होता है, आंसर नहीं है हमारे पास, क्वेश्चन होता है. ओ माय गॉड,
Sir,
जस्ट
we say
Just
heavy
like child,
because
so
when we
like
stand,
small children's.
rain was when rain was going on and we go there and then rain will come, then it's got heavy. Maybe I don't know.
नहीं तो रेन मतलब क्या हमने वेट करा कि उसका वजन करके देखा पानी भारी है, जब बारिश तेज होती है तो उसका पानी का वेट भारी हो जाता है, और जब
Sir, the
बारिश कम
flow
होती है
of
तो
water और वो जो जब उसके droplets आते हैं तो वो काफी तेज पड़ती है.
तो वो हैवी हो
तेज
जाता
आती है तो
और
वो
sir,
heavy लगता है.
सर वो बहुत हैवी मतलब बहुत ज्यादा अमाउंट में भी होती है, इसलिए हम कभी कभी हम उसे हैवी रेन भी कहते हैं.
है. हैवी रेन.
So now it's being called heavy rain.
From today onwards we will do heavy studies. Okay. Heavy study. Okay. This question is very heavy. Question number 4. It's very light. Very easy मतलब very light. अगर difficult question होगा तो हम बोलेंगे very heavy. Question 4 first part. Very light question. -3/7 dash बेटा greater than less than का साइन यूज करना है. फिर से वही क्वेश्चन है, am I right? Same question है. You have to
Yes,
compare
sir.
the
So
two
we do in
numbers.
the book.
नहीं, do it in the copy because you have to find the LCM and all, ऐसा सब करना पड़ेगा. So do it in the copy.
So all the rainwater is coming on my notebook.
Oh. मैं चेक करूंगा, नोटबुक गंदी नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Oh, sir, so I will send the work on the group.
So do the first part and the fifth part and the sixth part. First, fifth, and sixth.